Consumption mechanism of graphite electrode. 1-2. The consumption of graphite electrode in electric furnace steelmaking is mainly related to the quality of the electrode itself, as well as the steelmaking furnace conditions, such as whether the furnace is old or new, whether there is mechanical failure, whether continuous production, etc., and steelmaking operations, such as steel type, oxygen, blowing time, furnace charge, etc. Here we only discuss the consumption of graphite electrode itself, and its consumption mechanism is as follows. 1. Electrode end consumption. It includes the sublimation of graphite material caused by high arc temperature, and the loss of chemical reaction between electrode end and molten steel and slag. The high temperature sublimation rate at the end mainly depends on the current density passing through the electrode, secondly on the diameter of the oxidized electrode side, and the end consumption is also related to whether the electrode is inserted into the molten steel to increase carbon. 2. Electrode side oxidation. The chemical composition of the electrode is carbon, which will react with air, water vapor and carbon dioxide under certain conditions. The amount of oxidation at the side of the electrode is related to the unit oxidation rate and exposure area. Generally, the oxidation amount at the side of the electrode accounts for about 50% of the total electrode consumption. In recent years, in order to improve the smelting speed of electric furnace, the frequency of oxygen blowing operation has been increased, resulting in increased oxidation loss of electrode. In the process of steelmaking, it is an intuitive method to measure the oxidation resistance of the electrode by observing the redness of the electrode trunk and the taper of the lower end.